our lessons that we've been learning, we've been subtracting what? What's the number we've been subtracting? 8. So today we're still going to do the same thing. We're going to subtract 8 from teens' numbers. Okay? Here's cubes. Here's your boards.
This is the ocean. The ocean. Kevin, this is the ocean.
Okay, I need you to be quiet, please. Okay? All right, who else needs one?
They need a marker.
There should be markers in your. If not, here's one. Here you go.
Because some of the markers are missing.
Okay. You have a pink? Okay. Thank you. All right, everybody ready?
Yeah.
All right, our first practice problem,
First question.
we're going to do 14.
Minus
14 minus 8. Okay. 14 is going to break down into 10. And what other number? What do you have in your ones place?
4.
A 4. What do I do with my 8?
Break it down.
Bring down the 8. All right, I'm going to circle 10 and my minus 8. I'm going to bring it down. 10 minus 8 is what?
2.
2. What you need? 10 minus 2. All right, with your cubes, you should have 10 up top. And how many at the bottom? 4. Okay, so if you take 8 away from the top of your cubes, how many do you have left?
2.
Take away 8 from your 10 and you have 2. What do I do with the 2 that's left up top on your cubes?
You
bring it down. And what do I do to it? I add it to, what number do I have left? 4. 2 plus 4 equals 2 plus 4 is 6. Okay. 14 minus 8 equals 6. What is 6 plus 8? 14. Okay. What would be 14 minus 6? 8.
Clear a board.
All right, clear your boards and switch with your partner.
You didn't get my oh.
All right, erase, clear your boards. It was the one that didn't work. Yep, y'all switch. Switch your boards. Okay, our next problem, we're going to use 17. So 17 is your number bond. I don't have another one. See if this one does. Okay. 17. 17 breaks down into 10 and 7. 17 minus 8. So what did we say 17 breaks down into? 10 and 7. Alright, so if you have your cubes, how many should you have at the top?
10.
And how many at the bottom in your ones place?
7.
7. Lay out your cubes. Lay out your cubes. You should have 10 up top and 7 at the bottom. Okay. Where do I take away 8 from?
10.
From the 10. And I'm going to write a new number sentence. 10 minus 8 equals 10 minus 8 is
2.
take it away from your cubes and tell me how many is left. You have 10 up top, take away 8. It is 2. You should have 2 left. Now when you bring your 2 down to the ones place, how many is down there that you added to? How many was in the ones place? 7. 2 plus 7 is 9. Okay. 17 minus 8 equals 9. Alright, so if we work backwards, 9 plus 8 is 17. Okay, so 17 minus 9 would be what? 17 minus 9 would be what? 8. Alright, clear your boards. Stack them up for me. We're going to start on our problem set. Stack them up, please. Put your cubes back together into the basket. Stack them up for me. Just 2. There you go. Thank you. Just bring me the pencil bucket, please. Okay. Put them in. Hey, what you doing? Just toss them in there. I need them, please. Alright. Y'all get back in your spots, please. Thank you.
Oh, I got one already. Some of them are
Alright. Space the E. Everybody in your spots. That's not related to our math lesson. Your clipboard and your pencil. Hayden, where are you going? I'll get them. I have them. Hector. Penny. Okay, we just did number 1 and number 2 together. Can you redo it by yourself and show me your work? Here you go, teacher. No, I need you to work on the front side first. Do number 1 and number 2, and then let me check your work. Okay. Yes. I'm gonna have to go sharpen some. You're welcome. I'm gonna go get pencils and erasers. Work on 1 and 2, and then let me see your work.
Oh, that's it.
Alright. Can you show me your steps? The same way that we used our number bonds. Yes. Okay, now what do you do with the 2? What are you going to add the 2 to? You're going to bring it down and add it to, what number did you not use?
4.
Show me your work. Show me the steps that you use to get to your answer. Yes. Number 3. Yes. Number 3. Yes. Yes. Now do the number 2. Hector, you want to come sit by me? Where did you get this 9 from? This is correct. This should just not be a 9. Make sure that you're putting your answers in the blank. Yes. You may continue working. Yes. Now you can finish the front and you can turn to the back. Yes. Also, you may use this side over here so that you're not bunching into the next problem. Okay? Alright. Hector, you want to come sit over here? Come sit right here. Good. Okay, now let's do this one again. What do I break these into? What 2 numbers make up 17? And what goes over here? What's in your 1's place? A 7. What do I do with this 8? Alright, next step. What do I write? What do I do with this 8 and this 10? What'd you do up here? 10 minus 8. Yes, you may continue working. Yes, you may continue working. Okay. 10 minus 2. Okay. 2 plus 8 is not 6. So look at this again. 2 plus 8 is right. You just have the answer wrong. Okay. What's 10 minus 8? So 10 minus 8. Show me 10 fingers. Okay, can you take away 8 of them? Take away 8 fingers. Look at this one again. No, it's okay. How many do you have left after you take away 8? Yes. Alright, you gotta take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 5. 6, 7, 8. How many fingers you got left? 2! Share with Lily. Okay. Yeah, see if you can figure that out. Alright, what do you do with your 2? Okay. What do you do with this 2? What we used the 10 and we used the 8, the number we have left. So 2 plus 7 equals. No, 2 plus 7. Show me 7 fingers. Alright, now add 2 more. How many is that? 9. Okay, so 17 minus 8 is 9. Alright, now can you do this for me? Now can you work it just like I did, but with these numbers? Try to do it by yourself. Yes. Hey, you can also look, Jeremiah drew his circles and crossed them out to check his work. Okay? You may also do it this way. Okay?
I don't know how we do that.
It doesn't matter, but he knows. He's got it. Yes. Okay, so let's flip it over. You're done. Okay, so our number families that we've been working on. Look at number 2. We just went over this. 17 minus 8 equals, hey, 17 minus 8 equals 9. So that means that 9 plus 8 is 17. On the back, it's asking you about your number families. So if 12 minus 8 equals, you find your answer, which means that the answer plus 8 equals 12. So you can take 10, subtract the 8, and see how many you have left. Yes. Or you can count on. You can start at 8 and count 9, 10, 11, 12, and I get 4. I'm going to need you to pay attention to me and not to Penny. Okay? So if you're counting on to solve your problem, you start with the small number and count till you get to the big number. If I was doing 15 minus 8, start with 8 and I count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and I have how many? I got 2 over here. 5 plus 2. 7. So that means that 15 minus 8 is 7. Make sure you have something in the blank so I know what your answer is. Yes. Continue working on the back. You're just completing the number family with your answer.
I love him. So, are we gonna start at 12 or 8?
Well, you would start with 8 and then count to 12 and see how many you get. Watch. So 8,
9, 10, 11, 12. 4.
you could solve all these problems doing that. Let's start with 11 minus 8. So 8.
Oh, this 10, 11.
Perfect. Maya, you should do those like that. Start with the little number, which is 8, and then count till you get to the big number. And that will be your answer.
16, 17.
Woo!
What is
Ariana's got it.
I do 18.
That part's not important. Just make sure you're completing the equation.
I do 18.
Maya, what number are you on? Let me see.
10, 11, 12,
Okay.
14.
Next is, look, let's do, Maya, let's do 13 minus 8. You ready? 8.
9, 10, 11, 12. Is really hard.
It's 13 minus 8. So how many do I have up?
5.
5.
This one is really hard.
You want to do them like that too? Look, 13 minus 8.
8.
So let's start at 8 and count to 13. You ready? 8.
Hey.
No, we're stopping at 13.
9,
5.
8.
These are easy questions.
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Yes, 11.
This hot.
No, it's still working. Alright, you need to check them just the way that we're counting right here. Start at 8 and count to 13. Go. No, start at 8 and then count to 13. So 8. Right, and that is right. So you need to change this. Same right here. You did 10 minus 8 is 2, but then you need to add 2 to 5. You added it to 3. Where did the 3 come from? 15 breaks down into 10 and 5. So you should add your 2 to the 5. And you can always start at 8, count to 15, and see what you get. Okay? Use your clipboard. No, I'll do that part. That's fine. Okay.
I'm doing good.
Okay, just a second. Alright, 10 minus 8 is 2. Now you need to add this 2 to the 8. What's 8 plus 2? So start with 8, add 2. 9, 10, I added 2. So 8 plus 2 is 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10. You write 10. TJ?
Just 2 plus 10.
Yes. You can work on the back. If you can count on, so like when you start from 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. You can write that down. Okay?
Well, why is this line?
It's just there. It's just an example of 1 through 20. You could actually use it to check your work.
I know you just go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm almost done. It's 4.
Okay. How did, so you have 6 minus 2. What's 2 plus 6? You did 6 minus 2. What's 2 plus 6? 6. Can you try to do this one? Can you break down 13 by yourself? 13 would break down into what 2 numbers?
Now the box is gonna do what?
Okay. Look at 13. I mean number 3. You broke down 18 into 10 and 8. Brought down your 8. I need to see your steps where you subtract 8 from 10 and it gives you 2. And then you need to add the 2 back to your 8. Check your work by adding your answer to 8 and see if it comes up with that big number. 8 plus 5 is not 18. Is it? No. You can always count on 2 to check your work. So 8. Yes. I need you to complete these and then you can pack up and bookshop.
I'm done. Oh yeah. So that's 2 plus 9.
You broke 15 down into 10 and 5. You subtracted 8 from 10 and got 2. You need to add this 2 to 5. You added 2 plus 8. You should be adding 2 plus 5 because you have a 5 left over. No, 2 plus 6 is what? Not 2. 2 plus 6 is not 2. What is 2 plus 6? 6. Okay, y'all finish your work. Let me see. Okay, they're gonna have the same answers. So, what's 1 plus 10? 10, 11. So you need to reflect that in your blank. Okay, 16 minus 8. Alright, you did 10 minus 8 equals, what's 10 minus 8? We do it on every problem. 2. And then you add the 2 back to what? 6. And 2 plus 6 is what? 6. But you have a 6 written down. Did you break your 13 down? You break your 13 down into 10 and 3. Let me see. What's 2 plus 5?
It's 3.
Start with 5 and count 2 more. 7. Where did you get 2? Okay, you subtract your 10 minus 8 is 2. And you got 2 plus 9 is 2. Count 2 more of 9. 9. Okay, as you finish up, we're going to bookshop and pack up.
You want me to put cup too?
Yes, you can put that in your box, bookshop and pack up.